and welcome back to Let's Learn C Programming. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Now, very often in programming, you will need a data type that can only have one or two values, like say for example yes or no, on and off, true and false. For this, C has a bool data type, BOOL, bool data type, which is known as a Boolean, right? We all know that the C, the basic C language does not have this bool data type. It has only integer and character. So it was introduced in C99, and you must import the header file which is called as stdbool.h. Okay. And now we need not check whether it is 0 or non-zero. Instead, we can check whether it is true or false, where false is 0 and true is non-zero. So in order to check any expression, any conditions, we can check whether the result is true or false by declaring a variable of type bool. Now let us see one example. Int main. Okay, here I have saved it as bool.c. Now here we have to include stdbool.h. Include stdbool.h. Okay, right. Now int main. Now as we have to define in integer variable with the prefix int of the data type int, here we have to define it as a bool, BOOL bool, and the variable name bool yes or no, bool yes no. Okay. You can define any variable name like this. Now let us check one condition. Let us check whether this bool will return true or false. Okay. Now let us have one if statement. If condition, if 100 is greater than 50. Okay. Now open the braces. Now here, if 100 is greater than 50, now in this case it will be true. It will print the condition is true. Condition is true. Okay. Else printf the condition is false. Right? This is the normal way we do. But now using bool, what should be done is bool, be yes no equal to, we can assign the result of the condition, like say 100 greater than 50 here, right? So now it will check be yes or no, will have a value true or false, that is 0 or non-zero, right? Now we will check whether this be yes no is equal to true. This is how it should be checked. The condition is true, else the condition is false, right? Here bool will be assigned the answer to this condition 100 greater than 50. Now, let us check this whether this works correctly. Let us compile GCC. I have saved it as bool.c, GCC bool.c dash o bool.c. Bool. Okay. Now, okay, so far no errors. Bool. Executed. Now see, it has written the condition is true, right? Now we will reverse this condition and check. 100 less than 50. Okay, now we will check. Compile, execute. The condition is false, right? This is how bool data type works. We have to assign the condition and it will have a condition at true or false, so that it will be easier for us. Now let us see another example. We will check the age. For example, int one variable age is equal to, let us define 10, and then we will check whether this is a child or no. Say bool is child equal to, we can check directly here by applying the condition age less than 13. Okay. So now even while declaring the variable also, we can check the condition, and the result will be stored in each child, right? Now if each child, then printf is child. Okay. Otherwise, else printf not a child. Right? Okay. Let us check now. This backslash n backslash n backslash n backslash n. Here one more thing can be noted. We can assign true or false directly when we define the variable, and or otherwise later on in the program we can assign it as true or false depending upon the situation. Now let us execute this and check whether the child will be printed or not a child will be printed. Compile it, run it. The condition is false. This is the first one. Now here in the second option here, we saw the child has been printed here. Okay, so this is how we have to use bool data type, which is derived from the basic the data types. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.